If you want to win an argument, start pretending of losing that argument. I am sure you're gonna win that argument. 3 best tricks to win any argument. Let me start this video. So welcome to this one take video, means no cut will be there. Alright, so today concept is all about argument. Well, there comes a lot of time when we get engaged into verbal conflict knowingly or unknowingly, and then we start offending, and hence the relationship start breaking with that person. And trust me, it's very awful to do such kind of things. Well, argument is very common. What happens when we want to prove ourselves, when we wanna just being stick to some points, we keep forcing and we keep pouring some negative kind of attitudes while having an argument, and that's very bad. So once you start any argument, please don't be hard on that person. Don't try to speak a lot. Don't try to use any other kind of bad words for anyone, because what happened, words are still, it can be forgettable, but how you made them to feel while having conversation, while having that an argument, is never. So before speaking, think what you are using and how you are making the other person to feel. Now let me share you some tricks that I said in the beginning, how you can win any argument. Well, first trick is that you have to understand that you gotta pull yourself together. Now what is the meaning of this phrase? To become calm. Why did I say this? What happened when we are making any argument, we start pouring all the anger, we start being ferocious. So you just have to pull yourself together, means you have to pacify yourself and start listening the other person, and hence you would be able to understand what the other person is exactly want you to understand. Because it happens sometimes, like more than often not, then I might be getting other thing and the other person is saying me something other thing, or he wants me to understand some other thing. So if you want to make an argument, please understand the point about what the other person is saying or trying to make you understand. So this is the first task. And the second, after understanding, of course there would be a lot of questions that would be coming in your mind, and you have to ask them. Well, question is the best way. I mean, it could works like a weapon, to defeat the person. Don't try to defeat, but questions will make more clarity, will bring the clarity in your communication, and hence you will be able to determine what exactly the person is trying to understand. And hence, when you want to ask the question, please understand the logic behind every words the person is using, and then start questioning. All right, and try to ask a little hard questions so that the person would get fumbled into those questions. And if the person wouldn't be able to answer the questions, then it's now the best time or the high time to grab the mic. But you gotta understand one more thing here. When you grab the mic, again, it doesn't mean that you have to speak a lot, because speaking a lot or winning an argument is not about winning, but it's about understanding the concept of the other person. And hence now it's a very good open zone that you can put your points very relevantly, very effortlessly. But here you should be straightforward and the third point is all about try to make them understand with their own logic, with their own style, the way they have made you to understand. Like they might have given you examples, so you gotta put those examples and elaborate it by your own way. So this is called you have to be little smart here, I know that, but trust me, it's normal. You have to use your brain, otherwise you're not gonna win any argument. So winning an argument is very hard as well as very easy. It's up to you how you're gonna control your temper. It's up to you how you are going to pull your emotions together, and then at the end of the time, when the high time comes, you have to believe in the timing, not in the time. All right. I hope 3 points. You have to, first of all, keep calm. Second, ask as many as questions you can. And third, when it's a high time, grab the mic and start speaking with their own style. But the thought should be yours. All right. But don't be hard. Otherwise, the person will never have a good relation with you. And even if you win the argument, you still lost the battle, my friend. So please be calm. I hope you got it, and I believe that you're gonna follow this rule, because whenever I am being engaging into kind of arguments, I try to use kind of techniques, and trust me, it's very productive. All right, I hope you understand very much clear. So I will be seeing you on the next video. Till the time, don't make an argument, don't create any kind of ruckus with anyone, but always understand the logic of other people and believe in you. Thank you. Bye bye.